One man, one screwdriver.
What is that in his penis?
A screwdriver.
You are a demon.
What is that?
I think the only
Why is his
thing
bum
you'll
so-
taste today
He's probably
is
done it
your
in one
own
time.
blood.
But this isn't the gross bit.
What is that?
He managed to get a screwdriver down his belt.
What the fuck? What? It's
Don't
proper
have a
bleeding.
penis,
It's
but it
proper
hurts.
bleeding.
I'm just trying to breathe.
He's so casual about it as well. Like, this is something he just
Is
does.
this the same guy that done that? What is...
What's up with the blood that just
It's
came
just
out
like
his
something
dick?
you'd do on a Monday morning, isn't it? It's just so casual about it. It's just, I'll stick a screwdriver up my dick.
That's not normal.